Hi, good morning, students. Before starting the lesson, I would like to give a brief introduction of Lucy Clifford's story, The Light on the Hills. It is a best example for how motivation of a young girl played to bring out the best creation of an artist. It tells the story of a boy who wanted to paint a beautiful picture. His little sister accompanied him in the field. Even though she was young, her words motivated her brother. Her visions and views were based on virtues. She also said, when you do a work with dedication for people whom you love, will bring out your best talents. These words touched the boy deeply, and he said that he would draw a picture for her. But suddenly she died in her sleep. The boy became sad because of the untimely death of his sister. But even after her death, the little sister motivated the boy to draw a beautiful picture, and he became a professional artist in the end. Now, I am going to give explanation of the same. The boy told his little sister that he wanted to go to the field to do his work, and his sister also accompanied him. She stood by the side of him and kept on watching his paint. She has given some suggestions of the drawing to his brother, that the trees are not straight and the sky is not blue. Then brother replied that it will be all right. Then she came to know that her brother is feeling unsure of his talent, and she told him that the people would be happy to look at it, and they would feel that they were there in the field. The boy then asked that would it make them unhappy if he do the drawing badly? Then the sister replied that the people would came to know about your hard work if you do your work with their dedication and honesty, and they would like your work. She told his brother to look upon the hills as they were looking at the painting of trees and the field, deep shadows and the hills beyond, and the light that rested upon them. The sunlight was not shining continuously. The leaves made a soft sound, and they could hear the sound of waves of a stream. She told his brother that the world is very beautiful, and we should give honor to it by making things for it. Then the boy said that world is very beautiful and won't be good if we will do something bad for it. Would you always do things well? She asked. The boy said that he got tired and he wanted to stop his work, and also asked her that she will do if she wanted to do her best. She replied that if she wanted to do her best, then she would do it for the people she loved, and it would make you strong and can overcome all problems and difficulties. He thought for a moment and told her that he would draw a picture for her, and it would help him to think of her all the time when he would be at work. They looked at the hills which were rising out of the deep shadows, and they went home together. Soon afterwards, a sad event was happened in their family. The little girl died in sleep. The mother told about the untimely death of his sister, and she told him that his little sister has journeyed from earth and she would not come back. The boy became so sad, and he could not be able to draw any picture after the death of her sister. But after many years, he got a strange power, and he started to sit and work. This strong feeling was like an answer to the wish to draw for his little sister who had died. The emotion seemed to answer a desire to put something which would make him the citizen of the humblest one. Now he came to know that he is confident enough to draw a picture, and he worked till it was finished. The audience said that the picture which he had drawn was the better one than before, and it would surely make others happy. He had drawn picture properly, but he was not happy at all. He was always thinking about his sister, and this sorrow gave him a power to do it. Suddenly, he heard a soft voice of his little sister saying that not sorrow but love, and perfect love has all the good qualities, and all the other things comes from this except happiness. How could one find happiness? He asked. She answered that finding happiness is a strong thing, and if you want to find happiness for others find happiness for one's own self, then one should seek the happiness for others. But it is not easy to get or find happiness, he said. Only perfect love helps one to love without happiness, and it also helps one to work and to wait. We could call it as heaven if perfect love also gives one happiness. Now children, this lesson taught us that even though you are a student, you can motivate others, right? It has a power to transform others, and you can motivate others, and at the same time you can receive motivation from others. Thank you and have a nice day.